Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and today I have a what's in my bag for the Coach Kenley backpack. So if you're interested in backpacks, Coach bags, what's in my bags, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the Coach Kenley backpack. I got this bag on the Coach Outlet website last year, I think. Yeah, 2021. And I love this bag. I'm just actually getting a chance to wear it this year. I have a pretty big Coach collection of bags, and so I don't always get to wear all of them, you know, so I just have to rotate through my bags. So I'm wearing this one this season and I'm loving it. The reason why I bought this bag was because this was when Coach started making a comeback, because I feel like they kind of fell off, like, you know, like before 2021, at least in my eyes. And then they just started coming out with all of these designs, and then they started adding the pink, and I saw this bag, and because it has pink, you guys know I love pink, I was like, I have to get it. And I linked the haul video that I did because I had bought this bag with a couple of other bags. This was last summer, 2021. So I'll put the link in the description or the video card so you can see. So this is going to be a what's in my bag. Now they don't have this specific one still available, but they do have them in solid colors like all black. I think I saw an all pink. I saw a cream one as well. This is called the Kenley backpack. So first off, there is a zipper in the front, like a zippered compartment, and you can put stuff in the front. And I just have some lip gloss in the front because it's just easy to grab or whatever like that. That's all I have in here, but it has a good amount of space for you to put other things like keys, money, anything that you need to grab quickly, because you know when you have a backpack you don't want to have to go inside. Like, you need to have a compartment that you can go in and out of quickly. And then it just has the Coach logo here in gold. Everything is gold trimming. This is what the back is looking like, and you can adjust these straps to whatever you need them to be. I just think this pattern is so cute with the CCs and then pink and gold. Like, it is so cute. And then look, it has this little thing here where it's just hanging the Coach tag from it. Like, that is too cute. And then it has the handle here that you can carry. So here you can zip it open if you'd like to put your zipper up here together and then put a lock on it. Some people like to put locks, or some people like to zip it all the way to one side. You can zip it to either of the sides. I think depending on what I'm doing, I think I like to zip it to one side because I ride public transportation. I live in New York City, so I feel like it'll take someone a while to, like, I don't know, that's just my thought process. I'm thinking, like, if it's like this, they could just do that. But if it's on one side, then they gotta do more, maybe. I don't know. But what's in my bag? So inside, I'll give you an overview like that. And if you will have some notebooks and stuff like that, there's a compartment in the back. Wait, okay, when I take everything out, then I'll show you the compartments. So, okay, this is big enough to hold a water bottle. And then I have my selfie stick. This is my little selfie stick / tripod, which is very, very convenient for influencers and content creators when you need to have, you know, get your content. This will fit right in your bag, and I'll leave a link in the description for the tripod or anything else that I have links for. I have my Coach signature, this is the vintage rose. And yeah, I have this whole collection, which I really, really love. This is the zippered pouch. I believe it's not available anymore. You might be able to find it on Poshmark, but I love this little pouch. I just have my little knickknacks in here. Like, I have a mirror, I have Purell, I have an edge brush for those edges. You just never know. I have feminine products. You know how that goes. I have hair ties. I have a pen. I have actually a little sample edge tamer. I got this in like I did a review video. I'm a content creator, so I did something for a brand that had like sample sizes of everything, and so I just kept it for myself, and it came in handy for me to travel. They gave me like travel sizes of a lot of hair products, so this is just some edge tamer, and then just a lot of pens and hair ties. So yeah, that's what's in here. So now you have room for lots and lots of books. I have 3 books in here. I have my planner. It says it's a 22-18 month planner, 2022-18 month planner. Make every day count, which I love because it's an 18-month planner and it just gives me tons and tons of space to write in and plan and just get my life together. So I have a pink notebook. I always have to have a notebook. I'm always writing, and I'm not one of those people who like to do it digitally, although I do sometimes. If I have to and I don't have paper and pen, I'll write in the notes section in my cell phone. But for the most part, I love to write in tangible notebooks. Old school. Okay, I thought I had a folder in here, but yeah, so I guess I only have 2 notebooks in here. And then, oh, you know what? You learn something new every day. I told you guys that I have not used this that much. I just discovered, okay, let me show you okay, there's a compartment in the back right here, zipper, right? You can put stuff in there. I don't have anything in there. And then on this side, there are 2 compartments, one for like a cell phone or something else. But I just now saw that on the side, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, I'm trying to. Okay, so you can kind of see inside. On this side, there's like, and I don't wanna mess up my bag. You see this little black mesh thing here? I did not see that. I totally did not see, I hope I can get you guys right there. There's one of these on each side of the bag for a while. Let me see my water bottle. I totally never saw. Yep, the water bottle can fit in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there's one on each side, so that's too cool. I didn't even realize it. I told you I didn't wear this bag. I think I might have worn this bag about 2 to 3 times. Maybe 2 times. But yeah. So it has those 2 things in it. So okay, you learned something new. So I'll show you like me putting everything in there and you'll get an idea of how much space. What I like is that it's not a bulky bag. It's very slim if you look at it. Like from the side, you see it's really slim and it's really chic. So that's what I like about it. It's really, really slim. And I'm gonna put the water bottle in. Now that I know I can put it on the side of that. And this in here, it's pretty spacious. It holds quite a lot of stuff. So as you can see, there's still room if you want to, but I don't like to carry too many things. I don't like my shoulder hurting or anything like that. I'll show it to you on my back. Put it on right now. And I'm 5'3" for reference. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And you could also wear it like with one shoulder on, like that. And then you see here how the coat little thing hangs. So this bag is totally cool. Again, it's called the Kenley backpack. And if you want to know how to get a discount on this bag, I'll tell you a little bit about Rakuten. If you sign up for Rakuten, you'll get $30 and I'll get $30 when you make your first purchase. Rakuten is an online extension for your, like when you're doing your shopping, and they give rebates to just about every store that you probably already shop at, like the Coach Outlet, Saks, Bloomingdale's, Target, Shein. Like you probably already shop at those stores already, but if you shop at those stores using Rakuten, every time you shop you will get a rebate from the store, and the rebates change from time to time depending on the store. But the good thing is, if you sign up using my referral code, I will get $30 and you'll get $30 when you make your first purchase. Couple of you have signed up, but you never made a purchase anywhere, so you're not gonna get the $30 and neither will I. We only both get the $30 when you make your first purchase somewhere, and it's really, really easy to do. So please sign up using my referral link. I'll leave it in the description, and thank you to those who have signed up using my link. Thank you so much, because we both got $30. That's easy money to get. And I will leave my Coach, I think I have a Coach referral code as well, something separate from Rakuten, where you can get $10 off of your purchase or something like that. Sometimes the problem is they change the codes, and the ones that were in my previous videos, I've had viewers tell me that they tried to use it and it didn't work, and Coach was having a problem with it. So if that doesn't work, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to work on it, but definitely try to use Rakuten. Again, you can find this on the Coach outlet website, the Kenley backpack. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Kharyzma for You Style. And yeah, check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for lip gloss, and my hair accessories as usual can be found on my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/kharyzmaforyou. Thank you guys for watching.